Hello, friends, and welcome to Food Slide. You must have heard a lot of people saying, never judge a book by its cover. And that is what is going to happen in today's recipe. We're going to make carrot soup. Now, this might sound very lame to you, but trust me, the sweetness of the carrots, the spiciness of the ginger, the starchiness of the potatoes, and the freshness of celery would make this soup amazing combination of flavors. Join us as Sandeep from first year will take us through the journey of how to make carrot soup.
Good morning everyone, my name is Sandeep and I'm a student of first year BCIHM Today I will show you how to make a carrot soup. To make the carrot soup we need carrot, ginger, garlic, onion, potato, celery and thyme. What I am going to do the next is I have to roughly chop the vegetables and then I will show you the next. I have roughly cut the vegetables. Now I will saute them with butter and some oil. Some garlic, ginger, celery and some onion. Now I will saute them. I am also adding some thyme in it and I will saute it. Now I am adding some carrot and potatoes in it and continue to saute. Now I will add some peppercorns and a bay leaf and continue to saute it. I am deglazing the soup with some white wine and veg stock. Now I will continue to saute. Now I am adding vegetable stock in it. Now I will left it for boiling till the vegetables get tender. Now my vegetables are completely boiled. Now I am going to strain it and make puree of these vegetables. My vegetables has now cooled down. Now I am going to make puree of it. Now I am going to add the puree of vegetables in the stock in which I have boiled the vegetables. Now I will cook it till the soup becomes thick and creamy. Now I am going to add some cream and butter into it for richness and shine. Finally, it's time to season our soup with some salt and with some pepper. Our soup is ready. Now it's time to plate it. Presenting it to you a puree of carrot.